Namaste, Om Swasti Astu. Welcome back to the another episode of Yoga presented by Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center Bali. I'm Sanjay Kumar Chowdhury, teacher of Indian culture. In this episode, we'll learn about Shankha Prakshalana's asana. Shankha Prakshalana is a series of 4 asana which should be practiced in a sequence with awareness of breath. I will demonstrate you. I will share how to practice this Shankha Prakshalana's 4 asana. Their do's and don'ts I will share with you. It's an alternative for Basti Kriya from Shat Karma. So let's learn how to practice Shankha Prakshalana's asana. The first one is Sarpasana. Lift your body on your palm and both the toes. Look in front, feet together. Sarpasana. The trunk parts will be little down. Get ready. Breathe out first. Now inhale and twist your body to the left side. Try to see your heels. Twist from the abdomen. Twist from the trunk area. Wait for a while and come back. Relax. Exhale. Inhale again. Twist your body to the right side. Wait for a while. Come back and exhale. Repeat the same for 3 times. Inhalation and twisting your body. Coming back and exhalation. Inhale. Right side. Come to normal and exhale. And relax. Go into relaxation for a few seconds. And then we'll go for the second asana. Urdhva Hasta Kativakrasana. Urdhva Hasta Kativakrasana. Second asana from the Shankha Prakshalana. Get ready. Both the feet around 1 foot apart. Interlock your finger. Take it overhead. Inhale. Now turn your body to the left side. Wait for a while and come to normal. Exhale. Inhale. Right side. Keep your hands straight. Bicep touching to the ears. Come back to normal and exhale. Repeat the same for 3 times. And then we'll go for the third asana in Shankha Prakshalana, that is Samana Hasta Kati Chakrasana. Feet will remain same, around 1 foot apart, parallel to each other. Raise your both the hands sideways, up to shoulder level. Exhale first. Now inhale and go to your left. Go to your left. Twist your body from the trunk. Keep your hands in a line. Your eyes on your left hand fingers. Wait for a while. Come back and exhale. Inhale. Now turn your body to the right side. Eyes open on your right hand fingers. Hands in a line. Come back and exhale. Again repeat this for 3 times. And then we'll move for the 4th asana, which is Kagasana. In sitting posture, just sit on your right toes. Right toes, left feet standing, bend from the knees, both the hands on your knees. Breathe out first. Now breathe in and twist your body to the left side. Try to push your thighs on the stomach. Look back. Wait for a while. Come back and exhale. You have to repeat this for 3 times and then change your feet. Now sit on your left feet, right feet standing. Hands will remain same on both the knees. Breathe out. Inhale And this time twist your body to the right side. Try to look back. Thighs pressurizing your stomach area. Come back and exhale. Again you have to repeat this for 3 times and then relax. Then relax. Relax your body and relax. Sit comfortably. This Shankha Prakshalana Asana you should not practice if you are having some serious illness. Do not try too hard. Do not exert your body. Do not give extra effort to that. Just do according to your body allows you. This 4 asana beneficial in diabetes, backache and neck pain. This also gives extra benefit to the digestion system and removes constipation and other abdominal disorders. Shankha Prakshalan. Shankha means conch shell and Prakshalan means cleansing, the cleaning. So Shankha Prakshalan, like when we put water in Shankha, in conch shell, it goes round and water come out from the bottom side. So same thing happens here in Shankha Prakshalan. When we drink water, lukewarm saline water and do these 4 asanas, so the same thing happens. Our intestine get cleanses from inside. So that's all for today's episode. See you again in the next episode. Till then, goodbye. Practice yoga and stay safe. Thank you.